Once upon a map, there was just emptiness. A land of mud roads, wild grass, and distant ambitions. But in April 1976, Noida was born, not out of legacy, but out of need. India needed to ease Delhi's burden. And so, this land, barren, forgotten, was chosen to carry the future. In the 80s, it was still a ghost town. Empty plots, echoes of promises. But people came, builders, workers, dreamers, hoping to build something better. No metro, no skyline, no buzz. Just foundations and belief. Then something shifted. The 90s brought roads. The 2000s brought speed. The D&D flyway opened. The expressways arrived. And with them, towers, malls, tech parks. Sector by sector, Noida started to rise. From 37,000 people in the 80s to over 1 million today. But it wasn't just concrete and glass. It became something more. Metro lines sliced through the city. Startups found a home. Families found quiet sectors. Cyclists found green paths. Noida became a city that didn't scream, but grew. Noida is often mistaken as just another part of Delhi, but it's not. Noida lies in Uttar Pradesh, not the capital. It sits in Gautam Buddha Nagar district, just 25 kilometers from central Delhi. Further ahead lies Greater Noida, developed in 1991, designed to handle Noida's spillover across 38,000 hectares of industrial and urban planning. Together, these three, Noida, Greater Noida West, and Greater Noida, form one of India's most strategically linked corridors, close to Delhi, but building its own identity, plot by plot, sector by sector. In 2011, the Buddh International Circuit opened in Greater Noida, India's first and only Formula One track. Spread across 875 acres, designed by the legendary Hermann Tilke. From 2011 to 2013, the world's fastest machines raced through Sector 25, as India hosted 3 back-to-back Grand Prix events. But then, it stopped. Due to tax disputes and regulatory challenges, Formula One pulled out. The engines went silent, but the track remained. A symbol of what Noida dared to dream. Today, the Buddh Circuit still hosts racing events, track days, and national motorsports. Its legacy still roaring, if only in bursts. And then, it broke its silence. In 2022, Noida demolished what once defined its skyline. The Twin Towers, built illegally, were reduced to dust in 9 seconds. Not as destruction, but as rebirth. A symbol that this city isn't afraid to correct its mistakes. now it's not just catching up, it's racing ahead. The Noida International Airport already under construction. A 230-acre film city on the way. EV zones, solar sectors, AI labs, all mapped, all rising. Noida isn't Delhi's cousin anymore. It's becoming India's prototype. It wasn't born rich, it wasn't born grand, but it was born ready. A city that doesn't beg for your attention, it earns your respect. From forgotten fields to future skyline, this is Noida. India's most underrated city? Maybe. But make no mistake, the world is noticing now.